Hey beauties, I hope you're all well and you're all having a lovely day. You've seen already the title, you know exactly what we're gonna be doing today, what we're going to be checking out. It's another review video. I love doing review videos. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you prefer, guys. Do you prefer more review videos or more just a random tutorials? This video we're checking out the brand new Revolution hair care hair masks. Today I'll try only one, but we can check all of them properly. I also got a brand new Revolution hair detanglers. So it's a hairbrush to help gently tangle all hair types. Longer teeth help to remove the tangles, and shorter teeth leave hair feeling smoother and tangle free. Use on a dry and wet hair. Amazing. I really like the marble one though. What do you guys think? Which one's your favorite? I'm gonna unpack the marble one because I really like the way it looks. Oh, it feels very comfortable. It actually says in here that curved brush handle for added comfort. Look at this curve. Yeah. So it has longer and shorter bristles. Yeah, perfect. Love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, let's quickly brush our hair. We got 4 hair masks in total. So first one is the coconut. Nourishing coconut hair mask. A blend of coconut oil and coconut milk help to improve damaged hair and chase shine and helps to reduce frizz. Coconut water contains hair and skin loving ingredients. Leaves hair feeling soft, smooth and nourished. Smells so good. It smells like holidays. Literally this coconut smell, it reminds me of holidays. Don't know about you guys. Oh my god, this is so good. Okay, another one we have in here is the avocado conditioning hair mask. All the goodness in avocados for your hair. Avocado is rich in fatty acids and full of healthy vitamins which help to condition hair and smooth scalp. Leaves hair feeling conditioned and healthy. Smells very fresh. Oh, I like this. Because coconut smells a bit more sweet, like on the sweeter side, like you want to eat that. This one smells very, very fresh. Oh my god, I love this. Another one we have in here is the argan oil. So moisturizing hair mask. Argan oil contains vitamin E, a well-known antioxidant that helps to hydrate scalp, hair and lock in moisture and shine. Leaves hair feeling moisturized and shiny. Ooh, this has very different smell. It smells a bit sweet actually, because coconut smells sweet but refreshing sweet, like veggie vibes. This smells sweet. Okay, the last one that I'm super excited about is the watermelon. So hydrating hair mask. Give your hair a burst of hydration with this hydrating watermelon hair mask. Watermelon helps to moisturize hair, scalp and is packed full of healthy vitamins and minerals. Leaves hair feeling hydrated and refreshed. Oh my god, this is so good. It proper smells like watermelon. I'm not even joking. It smells so good that I would want to lick it. You know what I mean? Now I don't know, I was thinking to try coconut, but now I kind of want to try watermelon because it smells so good. What they say on a package of this mask on how to use this is apply a generous amount to towel dried hair and comb through. Let penetrate the wet hair for 10-15 minutes. Rinse with a warm water. Use 1-2 times a week as desired. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna quickly go and wet my hair and then I'm gonna come back to you so we can put this mask into work. So follow the instructions. I'll wash and towel dry my hair so we can apply this hair mask on. Oh, it's good for brushing the wet hair. It says on the packaging as well. Okay, I like this. I really don't know which mask I should try today, but I really like the coconut one. What it does is a blend of coconut oil and coconut milk will help to improve damaged hair and chase shine, helps to reduce frizz, leaves hair feeling soft, smooth and nourished. It says to leave on for 10-15 minutes, but first let's apply this. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in my hand. It says to apply the generous amount. I think this is generous enough. And then comb through. Okay, I think that should do, so I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and then come back to you. This whole room, you guys, smells like coconuts now. I feel like I'm on a vacation somewhere. Just for a smell, like, I would be like, yes please, you know, but it has so many good things that it's supposed to do for you here, like leave you here. My damage just started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go quickly wash this off. Guys, so I washed my hair and my hair feels super like silky smooth. Let's just brush it. I really like this brush because it's so easy to brush my hair. Okay, I'm gonna go quickly blow dry it and then I'll come back to you to see how my hair feels, because so far it feels very smooth. Okay, so blow dried my hair. I didn't even use a hair straightener because I don't feel like I need to. I mean, you guys, my hair is like super smooth. If only you can like touch this and feel this. It smells amazing because it smells like coconut. I just hope you see how shiny it is. So it says that it helps with improved damage hair. I have bleach hair, blonde. I really need to go to hairdressers when it's gonna open because my ends really need some TLC, but look at that. It doesn't look as bad because my ends are usually like, you know what I mean? Like it's really dry and I really need a haircut. Yeah, my hair is like extra moisturized. Majorly impressed. Definitely works. I am not sure about the rest of the hair mask, but coconut one, highly recommend because I mean, nourishing hair mask. It definitely nourished my hair. My hair is looking super shiny, super moisturized and soft and frizz-free. Hey, because it says frizz-free. It worked as well. Okay, yeah. I'll be definitely stocking up on this. I'm gonna try other masks as well. I'm not gonna try now because that would be no point, or tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I need like another 3 weeks, so 1 mask a week. So I'm gonna write how it goes in the comment section. So if you're watching this in the future, check the comment section what I say about these masks. For the coconut one, humongous thumbs up. Highly recommend the hair brushes as well because it detangles here the worst hair. Because my hair, like, I could never brush it while it's wet straight away from my roots down. I would need to start from like ends and then work myself up. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, hit that button to subscribe. Very important part. You're gonna majorly support my channel by doing that. Hit the bell icon so you got notification every time I post a new video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you tried any of these masks already and if it worked for you just as good as for me, because I mean, you guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I shall see you very soon. Enjoy your day. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys.